Hi, this is Mark. This is English Conversation Practice.
At a restaurant, 10 very short conversations. Do you have a table for two? Yes, right this way. Can we see the menu, please? Of course, here you go. We'll have the chicken special. Would you like soup or salad? Excuse me, this is too salty. I'll have the chef remake it. Can we get separate checks? Sure, I'll split the bill. Is the fish fresh today? Yes, it came in this morning. Could I get this to go? Absolutely. I'll pack it up. What's today's soup? It's tomato basil. I think there's a mistake on the bill. Let me take a look. Thanks, everything was great. We hope to see you again soon. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There, you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes, plus other worksheets for your English needs. So
Support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.